Right now, new demands for an investigation into the alert system used when the deadly wildfires broke out in Los Angeles earlier this month.
Now there are questions on whether faster action could have saved lives and homes. ABC's Zoreen Shah reports this comes as the city works to prepare for a brand new threat.
Today, questions about whether the loss of life and massive scale of destruction in the recent Los Angeles fires could have been avoided. An LA County supervisor demanding an independent investigation into the electronic emergency alerts for the fire in Altadena and Pasadena that killed at least 28 people and destroyed over 7,000 structures.
It's important to gather all the facts so we have a complete picture of what happened and how the system was put to work to protect lives. And this work must be prioritized.
All 17 deaths from the Eaton fire occurred toward the western part of Altadena. Some people who live there say they never got an order to evacuate.
I'm very disappointed and angry about it because I feel like had we gotten evacuation official notification, we would have acted faster.
Neera Chow says she evacuated when neighbors called saying they got a message to leave. Bridget James and her husband Brian say they also didn't know about the order.
I don't know what their resources were. I don't know what their challenges were, but we certainly didn't have them.
The LA Times reporting that some people in the area were not told to evacuate until 7 hours after the fire started.
Our deputy sheriffs, along with our partners at LA County Fire, were out there from the onset of this incident.
The victims of this disaster deserve our transparency and accountability.
In a statement, the Coordinated Joint Information Center said in part that once the immediate wildfire crisis had passed, there will be a comprehensive third-party evaluation of all response efforts. Zoreen Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.
And a late developing story, another wildfire did break out today in northwestern Los Angeles, just north of the city there. ABC News reporting strong winds caused it to spread more than 5,000 acres in less than 3 hours. The cause of that blaze is also being investigated.